Hi kids, welcome to our class. Today we are going to learn about myself. Myself means introduce yourself to another person. First, you can introduce your name. For an example, I will get, my name is Lily. Second one, you can simply say your age. Look at this example. I am 5 years old. If you are in any grade, you can tell like this. Look at this example. I am in grade 1. Also, you can introduce where are you from. You can simply say it example. I am from Colombo. You can say your school name. For an example, my school is English International College. Tell your parents' name. Example, my mother name is Grace, and my father name is Ben. Today, we learn about myself by telling simply 5 sentences. Hope you all understand and my lesson. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel to get more videos. Bye.